Hey y'all too, welcome back to Recreational with Lori and Sunny, where we take wrecks and hopefully create something new and useful and beautiful again. Today we're at a new one, guys.
We're back.
We're back. I know we kind of left y'all hanging on the last one. We still have to go over there and do a few more things. It got a little bit weird over there.
Y'all didn't want to see that anyway.
I will do a walkthrough video though of how it turned out. It turned out good, but we had crews that didn't want to be filmed. We had the camera tore up. I had to get a new camera and wait on it. It quit filming the volume for some reason, but we have a new one. It's a crunch bucket. It's gonna be a crisp
Apple.
crisp nugget crunch bucket to crisp. Anyway, it was ugly. It's gonna be pretty. Let me show y'all. Okay, here she is. A little crunchy. It's got potential though. Do you see it? See the potential? It's gonna be cute. Still outside tour. Here's the front. Or there's the side. Okay, new siding is really gonna be great here. This is the laundry room. This is the back door. These steps are too steep. And then they built a porch over it. I kinda like it. You like it? Double decker situation. Kidding. Okay, this goes.
Nope.
We'll do a new little porch here. We'll come down with some steps, and then it'll probably have to turn and go that way, so it's not in front of the garage port door. Is it a garage? No. Carport?
Carport.
No. It's just the area.
It's a lawnmower port.
It's a lawnmower garage port. I like that. Okay, we have this pile of stuff. We have creepy crawl space. Everybody loves a creepy crawl space. Do you want to give us the tour?
All this come out of the
Oh, all of
space.
this was in the basement. Crawl space, whatever. Is this a basement or a crawl
Don't put wood in your crawl space.
Don't fill up your crawl spaces,
Don't put
guys.
wood in there.
It's annoying when you have to get in there and change the plumbing and fix something.
Well, it gets damp and moist, and it holds moisture.
Yeah, and then you step on nails too.
Don't do that.
So all that came out of there. Then, oh, we have a ramp. Okay, I'm not going down that. And, this looks like it might be a dead body situation.
Could be.
May have a dead body situation here. Hope not. We'll pretend like we didn't see that. It's fine. Moving on. Then we have
This eyesore.
this. And another pile of stuff. And this was the addition. This will be the master suite, guys. It doesn't look very sweet right now, but it's going to. It needs some windows. It needs some siding. It needs a hug. It's gonna be okay. I think we can save this, don't you?
Oh yeah.
A little bit of work, a couple screws,
Save them all.
touch of paint, and done.
That's what we do.
That's what
Save
we do.
them.
That's what we do. Okay, let's do a tour. We got the crooked sidewalk. We got some windows. We got some Super Crunch 5000s windows here. I think we might need some new windows. Coming up on this little front porch. Okay, this door is very adorable. It's a good door. It's very thick, very heavy, very strong, very chippy, and it kind of makes me feel like I'm in prison. It's kind of like a prison door. But I don't hate it. I'm gonna see if we can save this door because it's got a lot of character. And can't find these every day. So we'll see. Coming in the door, we have a disaster. OMG. We did already do some demo here, and there was a fireplace. There was a wall between the living room and kitchen. That green area back there's the kitchen, old kitchen. The fireplace was huge. It was like 3 feet deep. It was gigantic, and it only left, seriously, maybe 8 feet for a living room here. So sadly, we had to get rid of the fireplace and the wall. It probably didn't work anyway. It was pretty sketchy. So now we're gonna have an open living room kitchen, and these sticks are just temporary. They're holding up the ceiling until we get back. The old wall used to be back, where was it? Back there. That separated the living room and kitchen. So we're gonna have to do a header and a beam and all that stuff to hold the ceiling up. Pretty important. And then we'll have open living room and kitchen. Okay, here I'm thinking, okay, never mind these won't be here. I have to move this door down here to go into the master bedroom because the fridge will be about right here. And then we'll have cabinets, and then I'm gonna have stove and hood here where this window is, and then another cabinet. And I'll probably try to squeeze a window on each side of the stove hood, and then do an island out in the middle with seating. And then this room off of the kitchen used to be a back porch. They had already turned it into a laundry room. So I'm going to keep it as a laundry room / pantry / mudroom because the back door is here. So we will have kitchen cabinets, and then probably the doorway to go into the laundry. And then this will get closed in a little bit more. So this will be laundry. I'm probably going to take this window out so we can do tons of shelves in here, and put a window behind the washer and dryer up high. And then walking back through the kitchen, dining, this is where there's a little nook here for bedroom 1, and then we have bathroom, and then we have bedroom 2. This will be closed in. That won't be a doorway anymore. I'll explain that in a second. Bedroom 1 will pretty much stay the same. We do have new windows because all these windows are crunchy and a million years old. So we can probably just skim the walls in here. We do have the original doors. We'll get Donna making those beautiful again. She's so good at that. And then this one does have a closet. It's a little bit shallow. I think I may have to bump it out a little bit to, I'm not even sure hangers will fit in there right now, so we may have to fix that. And then the bathroom, well, let's see, bedroom number 2, basically the same thing. We'll do a new window. We'll skim the walls and ceilings in here and get it smooth, all new trim. We'll close this because this used to be pretty much a bathroom in a closet. It was pretty strange. I'll show you guys pictures. And this room has a little closet already, so that's good. And then coming out of bedroom 2 into the bathroom. Guys, we are living in luxury here because not only do we have a toilet that works, we have heat, and we have a curtain over the bathroom door. We're big time. Seriously, when you're used to using a porta potty, this is heavenly. But we have a little storage closet here, a pedestal here. This has to go. It's not. The medicine cabinet was here. We got the razors in the wall again. I think that's so neat. We'll do a new toilet. We'll do a new window. And I'm torn about keeping this tub. I love the old tubs. They're good. They're heavy duty. You can't hardly tear them up. But it's super close to the toilet. So I may go back with a whole new tub shower kit that's a little shallower just to give it a little more room. We got some crunchy walls. And we got some layers of wallpaper. That wallpaper, blue wallpaper. We had Brady Bunch wallpaper. And then we have this that I'm not going to go into right now. I'm not sure what's going on there, but we'll address that. Let's go. There's a guy in the floor. Okay, coming back through the living room. Remember, this is where the new kitchen will be, on this back wall. Fridge will be here. We'll move this doorway down to go into the master. So this was they had like 2 living rooms because that front one was so tiny. So they did an addition. And this is a huge giant room, which is great, but it ain't working. So you have a little step up, which I kind of like. I don't mind it. And it kind of gives you a little... If I lived here, I would do a desk here and have like a little office area. I will put a window in here. And then on the back wall, I'm thinking the bed will be about there. I'll do a window on each side of the bed. I'm going to add a his and hers closet over here on this wall with the window in between, and do like maybe a bench, like a window seat between the closets maybe. Okay. It does already have a nice big door going outside. We'll have to do a new deck out there. It was rotten. We already tore it down. And then this corner, we will go back with a master bath here. This is where, see how tiny, see that line? That was the tack strip. That was the old bathroom. It was kind of like it was in the closet from that bedroom. So we tore that out already. We will go back with a bigger master bath that comes all the way over to this door. And then we have a new patio door going in, and I'll center it between the bathroom and that wall, so it'll be about right there. So this is great. It's a huge room. It's going to be a really good master. Okay. Let's get busy. Oh, we got some treasures in this house. We got this super cool, super funky 70s couch. And we got some really nice gold chairs. I like these, and they're comfortable. And there's Handy Stanley. I seriously like these chairs. I want to vacuum them and clean them up and see if they'll revamp. We have a fish. We have a deer head. We got more 70s chairs. Okay guys, that wraps up the tour of the before. I'm going to leave you guys with this sketch of the new floor plan that I'm trying to accomplish. This should be a huge transformation. I hope you guys hang with us to see how this goes. It should be interesting. We have a lot to do, but if you want to follow along, please do like, subscribe, share, comment, ring the bell, do all that fun stuff, and we'll see you guys next time. Y'all remember to be good and do good. Love you. Bye.